Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen oil at home. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, focusing on fresh aromatics and quality oil. Next, I will guide you through the gentle infusion process, ensuring maximum flavor extraction. Finally, we will cover proper storage and creative ways to enjoy your homemade ramen oil, elevating your noodle dishes. To begin, you will need 1 cup of a neutral oil, like grapeseed or canola, which provides a clean base. For aromatics, prepare 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes for a gentle warmth and a half teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns for a unique tingle. 2 star anise pods and a small cinnamon stick will add wonderful complexity. Now, let's infuse that flavor. Gently heat your 1 cup of neutral oil in a small saucepan over a very low flame. Once slightly warm, add all your prepared aromatics and spices. Allow this mixture to simmer slowly for 20 to 30 minutes. This low and slow approach is crucial to extract maximum flavor without burning the delicate ingredients, creating a rich, aromatic oil. Once infused, carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the solids, leaving you with a clear, flavorful oil. Transfer your beautiful ramen oil into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Drizzle 1 to 2 teaspoons over your favorite ramen for an instant, delicious flavor boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.